Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chang and this is Changkuoth Nyak channel. Today's stories are painful, but they must be heard. First, in Tambura County, Western Equatorial State, two teachers collapsed while teaching in class due to anger. Yes, anger. According to the State Minister of Education, Grace Apollo Musa, the two teachers fainted because they had not eaten for a day. And sadly, this is not an isolated case. These are government employees who haven't received their salaries in 1 year and 5 months. Even though salaries were transferred, the local bank said there's no cash available. The teachers were rushed to hospital and diagnosed with a severe malnutrition. This is not just a crisis, it is a national emergency. Teachers are the backbone of education, yet they are starving in silence. The minister has called on the national government and bank to act. The question is, will they listen? Second, in Warrap State, President Salva Kiir Mayardit has dismissed Governor Magog Magog and appointed Ambassador Bolwek Agot as his replacement. This comes after a deadly communal clash between the Luashjang and Jalwa communities in Gwit villages. In just 3 days, 62 people were killed and 36 others injured. Among those killed were 20 women. The violence has devastated families and displaced many. The hope is that with the new leadership, peace can return to Warrap State. But lasting peace requires more than changing names. It requires accountability, dialogue, and serious action to stop bloodshed. This is Changkuoth Nyak, and I will continue bringing you the real stories from across South Sudan. Stories that matter, stories that many ignore. If you found this report important, please like, share, and subscribe. And most importantly, stay informed, stay strong, and never stop speaking the truth. Thank you for watching. See you in the next update.